Ice cream for me is always a go-to dessert and a staple in my home. So today we're going to be making this creamy, lush blueberry ice cream with just three ingredients. Trust me, it's amazing. But before we start, hey my lovelies, welcome to Shibi's Kitchen. If you're new here, please do well to subscribe to my channel. And if you're an OG, thank you so much for subscribing. Yeah, so into your pan, you want to add in a quarter cup of sugar and then a cup of blueberries. So you want to add in little amount of water, emphasis on just a little bit of water, because you want to extract the juice from the blueberry. Stir and combine your berries and the sugar together, and please make sure that your heat is on its lowest because you want this to slowly cook and then produce its juice, just like I'm doing here. Keep stirring. We are not done yet. We've not achieved that juice yet. So just keep stirring, and you can see how the blueberries has brought out its own juice and the color is so radiant. At this point, you want to take it out of the heat, set it aside and let it cool down completely. And you see that it will be very thick even when it has cooled down, but because we are going to be adding it to our whipped mixture, the color will be so beautiful. Into a clean bowl, you want to pour your whipping cream. So you want to mix your whipping cream with a mixer until it's whipped. This consistency I'm having is just perfect, and then you stop mixing it. Now go ahead and add in your condensed milk. Like, you want to add in enough to have that creaminess and that sweetness. Trust me, it is amazing. You just want to lift and turn this mixture. You don't want to, aggressively mix it. No, just mix, lift, turn, like I'm doing here, slightly and lightly. Don't forget to subscribe if you watched to this stage. Going with the blueberry jam we made. You can see how dark my blueberry jam is. It looks super rich in color and also in taste. Go ahead to mix this together, and you can see that marble color is even. So you can stop like this and then transfer it into an airtight container if you just want that marble effect. Or if you do not want the marble effect, you can keep on mixing it till whenever you feel it is okay. You want to transfer this your lush mix into a container like I am doing here. Cover and pop into your freezer overnight, or depending on how strong your freezer is, 6 hours is enough. Bring it out. And my lovelies, we've just made this 3 ingredients blueberry ice cream that is amazing. You can see that even before I brought it back out, we've already taken half of it before I showed you guys this remaining. Before I showed you guys this remaining, you know, we've devoured it in my home because ice cream is something that we always have to scream about. If you have any leftover suya at home, you want to watch the suya rice recipe I have up there. You want to watch it because trust me, that suya recipe is amazing. Like, it's something I will make all the time. So let's get back straight into this video. You can see how pretty our blueberry ice cream is looking. So let me know if you'll be making this in the comment section down below, and if you have any questions, please let me know about it. If there's any recipe you want me to make, trust me to make it for you guys. I love you so much, lovelies. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video for me to know that it was worth watching.